The tidy scientist who took a holiday and saved millions. In 1928, the world was a very dangerous place. A simple scratch, a bout of pneumonia, or a surgical incision could turn into a fatal bacterial infection. Doctors had no effective way to fight the microbes. The accidental contamination Dr. Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist working at St. Mary's Hospital in London, was known in his lab for being slightly untidy. In the summer of 1928, Fleming went on a 2-week holiday, leaving a stack of Petri dishes containing cultures of Staphylococcus bacteria, a common infection-causing microbe, stacked on his bench near an open window. When he returned in September, he began sorting through the dishes, preparing to discard the contaminated ones. He noticed something truly remarkable in one dish. A fuzzy, blue-green mold had grown, and all the bacteria surrounding it had died. There was a clear, perfect circle of death around the contaminant. The wonder drug is named. Fleming was intrigued. He isolated the mold and identified it as a species of penicillium. He then discovered that this mold produced a substance that could kill many kinds of harmful bacteria without harming human or animal cells, a property no one had ever successfully demonstrated before. He named this active substance penicillin. Fleming published his findings, but he struggled to purify and mass-produce the unstable compound, and the scientific community largely ignored his discovery. Penicillin was considered an interesting but impractical laboratory curiosity for over a decade. The War and the Miracle. It wasn't until the eve of World War II, when the need for effective wound treatments became desperate, that 2 other scientists, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, took up Fleming's work. They successfully purified and stabilized penicillin. The drug was first widely used to treat Allied soldiers' infections during the war. Suddenly, wounds that would have led to amputation or death were healing completely. Penicillin was hailed as a miracle drug, launching the age of antibiotics and transforming modern medicine from a practice of treating symptoms to one of truly curing bacterial diseases. Fleming's accidental sloppiness, combined with his keen observation, led to the single greatest victory ever achieved over infectious disease. He, Florey, and Chain shared the Nobel Prize in 1945. Would you like to hear a story about a historical vaccination breakthrough? Want more interesting stories? Like and subscribe.